Yes, hello everyone, I'm Kiyoshi Leon. I'm from Germany, from Frankfurt, and I'm here for the guests. I will speak with you in German, in English, maybe also in Japanese, I don't know if you can speak Japanese. I'm so glad to be here and I'm so looking forward to meet you all.
Środek trzeba jakiś wymierzyć.
Yes, like a princess.
Yeah, I'm from the sea. Yeah,
A mermaid.
yeah. You see the sky's blue, the wind is nice, perfect. You know, that's a life. That's a life.
Happy carrot.
Happy.
Happy carrot. I make it.
Yeah.
Two people here.
Yes, new people here.
All star.
Yes, all staff. Let's go. Morio. あれコントしおりって言われてるで。しおりって言われる。しおりってなってるよ。しおりでレオン。はい、ディアナ。猫 D です。じゃあ、エビバディ。じゃあよろしくお願いします。バロッカビル楽しみましょう。乾杯。
Okay, I'm Morio. I'm from Tokyo. What else I have to do? I'm cook. Yeah, we just arrived. I don't know what's going on. We'll see what's happened. But sounds looks really big. Energy is so good. Yes, very good.
Hi, I'm Jana. I'm from Russia but live in Netherlands. I came here with the Osaka bowl. We'll have fun here and cook delicious food.
How did you meet Yoshi-san?
I meet them at another festival in Portugal.
Hi, I'm Natsuko. I'm from Japan and I'm living in Amsterdam now. And I love traveling, so that's why I came here. I have never joined like this festival before, so I'm so excited.
So my name is Shiori. I'm from Nagasaki in Japan, and I live in Utrecht, and I really like the festival. I first time try this one. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you.
It's great. Fun. Yes. Yeah, looks everyone face. Yeah, everyone's smiling. Everyone's smiling. Yeah, fun. Yes.
Hi, konnichiwa. Yesterday I'm out from Parookaville. I go to Amsterdam and I stay in my house 6 o'clock morning. I come back to here and I arrive 9 o'clock. Now come back with a lot of ingredients. Bam. First, everybody breakfast. I don't know, the snacks. Pickles for curry, more pickles for curry, takoyaki, noodles. Everybody say need a water and more alcohol. Good. I think everybody can work comfortable. No debut. Yes. I can guarantee. I think this is the best hospitality there right now. My hair is okay? Perfect. Okay? Ayo, mic check, yes. Hi, so I want to explain to everyone now what's going on inside. Now it's 7 o'clock in the night, one day before. And now start everybody finalize for preparation for tomorrow. So we need one day before to make sure all the food is ready, and later we gonna eat for staff meal to check before serve tomorrow. Let's go to check everyone. なっちゃん、
はい。
久しぶり。
久しぶりです。
元気？
元気です。
How are you?
I'm good.
ああ、じゃあ今何やってるの？
Cooking the onion.
Cook the onion for the best curry.
Veg curry? Yeah. Just mixing.
I know 2 hours later, Florian say, "Can I eat this curry? Can I eat this curry? One more, one more, one more." Yes, I know the answer. So this is my secret weapon. Last time I went to Frankfurt in a food stand, and he was a customer. Then I'm surprised he can speak Japanese and German. Then I said immediately, "Can you come to Parookaville?"
Sagte natürlich.
Yes, ありがとうね。Danke, danke.
Dankeschön.
Yes. Hi, Diana-chan. Please make good summer memory, ne? Okay? And what are you doing now?
I'm cutting onion for negi mix.
Negi mix for the ramen, ne?
Yeah.
Nice. She working hard there every week at our store, so she know how to work here. For me, it's the best secret weapon, ne? 頼むね. All the best. ありがとう. Spasiba. My secret weapon again. Hi. こんにちは.
こんにちは。
元気?
I'm making the karaage.
Aha. So she tried to make a best karaage to make all the German people surprised, né? For sure, we're gonna make surprise all the Parookaville customers. Hi guys. Ah, yeah, another secret weapon. Yes. You know, Ninja, I have a many secret weapon. Thanks to good support.
Yeah, thank you.
You're working very nice, ね。
Ah, thank
I
you.
like it. ブーム行こうね。
行きましょう。
就職の問題があるけど休み取れることを願ってます。He start to prepare soon about karaage, and he needs some bath to make a karaage ね。That's why he came for wash. So you're the karaage section ね。
Yes.
Nice. で今回リーダーでしょ？
Yeah, I'm the leader.
He gonna be 唐揚げリーダーね。Secret weapon gonna be 唐揚げリーダー。
Karaage master.
Nice.
I'm gonna make good karaage for everybody. Let's go.
よっしゃ。よろしくお願いします。
お願いします。
Erika-san, where did you put the decoration? Can you show me everything?
Yes! まずは最初、ファースト忍者420バナー。Yes! ジャパニーズマッチフード。Yes! で、次。これは照明です。This is a Japanese light. で、This one. たこ焼きジャパニーズストリートフードラーメン唐揚げジャパニーズフライチキンカリーたこ焼き Yes はい受付ですオーダー Everybody order here
Today, how many people? I'm interesting too, but my guess, I remember 14 people now. Then tomorrow 15 people. I think, man, but I'm stoned, so you know. I'm not sure now. I need to check my net from the eyes. Then I can say it's not my guessing that side. So. Now it's 11:30 and now we are done for all the preparation for tomorrow and we come back 11 o'clock. Now we eat everybody what we sell for tomorrow. So in a staff meal. And the result, I really like it, really like it. Super amazing, top. Everybody must try it. Really, I can 100% recommend. Ohayou gozaimasu. Everybody do have their own time and nice vibes. Good. Look this side. Everybody's stretching. Yoga time. And master now plan to make coffee. Morning coffee important. He is smoking, so everybody have their own time. We call this place Konohagakure. This time, yeah, and I like it. It's behind the trees. We make big campsite. Let's see everyone. Let's go. Konohagakure means in a Naruto story, in a ninja village. It's a hidden place. And everybody go ninja academy, practice, have everybody ninja life. And we call ourselves ninja, so try to connect with this story. We love Naruto ね。だってばよ。No, no, no. これはロックリー。はい、ニン。So this is Ninja Village. Ta-da! Big one. 1, 2, 3, 4 tents here. And on the center have a, let's say, dining place. How's your morning spirit? Good?
It was super, super good. Like
Yeah.
now my back is so free.
Wow, okay.
Yes.
Wow. Normally you do this?
Sometimes.
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 So today you have a time, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been good time. Quality time, isn't it? Nice one.
Yes, here in the nature in Konohagakure, it's just perfect.
Cool. ありがとうございます。So, day one, let's enjoy ね。
Yes, let's enjoy.
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
Danke.
Dankeschön.
Yeah, he's a secret weapon this time for the German speaking. I'm happy he's here. しっかり考えて。それが決まったらちょっとみんなおのおの始めよう、準備を。そんな感じでお願いします。あとみんな飲み物ちゃんと飲んでね。はい。そんな感じで。
それって、夜3時とかからもやっぱ2人はいるってことです、ここに。
エクスチェンジとかなしね。なんかフリーであげるのはやめよう、絶対。俺らの仕事ただじゃないと思うから。Yeah, my team is here. Everybody is a hard work and thanks so much. Every year we doing this big festival, but I feel more improve and more crew levels going up and big responsibility. So easy this time and so comfortable. ありがとう to everyone だね。Thank you very much. Yeah. みんな素晴らしい、みんなね責任感を持って動いてくれて感謝です。So let's do this.
And again, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm now super sleepy there. Today I see the temperature for outside. Today is 33 degrees. It's like 1 o'clock and I'm sleeping in a campsite, but possible is sauna. So I decided to come early here, have more tree shadow. So, and also I can see the store. So I come here and watch everybody and I go to nap. This is my plan now. I'm happy everybody, fantastic responsibility. ありがとうございます。So day 2 excited. I'm a little bit too much early to wake up, so really I want to rest. Otherwise I crash before 4 o'clock. This is a behind the scene booklet style.